Hey kindergartners, I am going to teach you how to do something new and exciting. You have to pay close attention because this could get a little bit tricky, but you are so smart and we're going to figure it out together. So on the home page of Canvas, we're going to scroll down to Friday because today is Friday. And we skip past this page and you will get to a page in your module today called Weekly Assessments. And you're going to see words that say LA quiz and math quiz. And then you're going to see these blue links. When you click on this link, it's going to take you to a fun quiz that is interactive. So let's try it. This is called Nearpod, and this is a cool way to do quizzes and for me to see what you guys have learned and what you know. Don't feel nervous. I'm just going to pretend that my name is Student, and I'm going to join the lesson with the blue button. This is what your first quiz looks like. Start Smart Week 1. To go to the next page of this quiz, you click on this arrow. What do we click on? That's right, the arrow. The first activity you get to do is a matching activity. It says match the uppercase and lowercase pairs. So this white box might get in your way sometimes, this white box with the directions. The way to scooch it up and get it out of the way is to push the up arrow. Did you see how I did that? I'll do it one more time. Get out of the way, directions. Okay, now we can have some fun. Uppercase E and lowercase e. They match! I got one right! Now, I'm not going to give you all the answers. That's your job. Let's go to the next page. Ooh, this says open-ended question. Now, at the top there's words. And it's okay if you don't know how to read those words because there's also a video right here with me and I ask you a question. I say, what is your name? Record your answer. You get to use a special tool right here. See this orange button? To start recording yourself talking, you click on it. My name is Student. When you're done talking, you click the orange square. That means stop. Now, this part's really important. If you want to make sure that that is saved, you have to hit the submit. Hit the submit. That's this blue button right here. Do you see that? Point to it with your finger. Very good. That way Miss Buongiorno will get to hear you talking. I can't wait to hear you guys talking. Okay, then there is another question where I ask you to record, so you get to practice using that button again. Let's go to the next page. A quiz. Ooh. Once again, we may not be able to read these words, but there's a video telling us what to do. Miss Buongiorno says, what makes the sound H? You decide if it's letter F or letter H, and you click on the right answer. Click that blue button to go to the next page. If you need to go back, there is a back arrow and a back button if you need to change your answer. Alright, the way you know you're done with this little quiz is at the very end, you will get to, well, there was supposed to be a picture with balloons. But I think it didn't come up for me because I skipped a lot of the questions. Okay, that is how we do our language arts quiz.